Here we go again. There, see? I hit down 2 guys. It's Snow Nose! Hey guys, it's Snow Nose, and today I'm going to be doing something on Crashlings. But it is not going to be an unboxing. It is going to be me showing you a game I made up. It is not one of the games that is on here. They have Meteor Catch, Space Jump, and Crash and Smash Bowling. I've been doing Crash and Smash Bowling, and it's really fun. So, I'm going to get these guys set up in about 1 second, and I'll be back. Okay? So, now guys, I'm going to show you the game. So, these soft ones, you use to roll, but you roll it sideways like this, and you have to roll, and the object of the game is to hit down as many of these as you can, and we did it like 3 to 4 player, cause I mean, if I get more characters, I guess I could keep adding on players. And these hard ones you use for like boulders, so then when I roll this and it like hits this, then I miss. So I'm gonna show you what it's like, and this game is called Gravity Bowling. So here I go. Ready, set, go. So my first one missed. And now I'm gonna go again. As you can see, it rolled and then it hit this boulder. Here we go again. There, see? I hit down 2 guys. So I get those 2 guys, and you go around in a circle. I don't get to go 3 times in a row. Like I just showed you that I went 3 times, but you don't get to go 3 times. You only get to go once, and then you go around the circle. So this game is really fun. It's just really awesome. I just made it up about like last night or something. And thank you so much guys for watching. Keep punching those like buttons. Keep punching them as hard as you can, because I'm gonna be making a lot more videos. And goodbye. Hey guys, if you have not already, please subscribe.